Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on Polygon. This is Scrembo from Emotionless Crypto Trading. It is 19th of March 2023 and we're looking for a Sunday technical analysis for a global crypto market cap which is down by 2.18% over the last day. It is something expected and expectable in the other case because what we have seen in the past 7 days is something tremendous, especially for the BTC guys, which is still up by 31% for the past 7 days. Altcoins have decreased a little bit with the pullback that we had within the past 24 hours. For example, Polygon is 4.29% down in the 24 hours, representing for the last week an increase of 11.41%. It still sits very well, and the fact that it has successfully got into the top 10 cryptos raises the business to a whole new level. We're actually talking about a great market cap with a very strong approach of getting close to Cardano and eventually surpassing it sooner or later. So we're gonna get into Polygon discussion and technical analysis. But in the meantime, I would like to share with you my main YouTube channel where I have videos related to AI trading with ChatGPT bot that we have. For those of you interested to join our bot trading, make sure to check out the videos on my channel. I have live trading happening where I am executing and closing the trades and all that stuff. As well, we have our performance report where you can find out more about the way we perform, as well how you can join us. There's actually two options. One is without any prior fee, only commission from pure profits achieved, where the trading goes through API permission, and option number 2 is based on the monthly fixed fee where you execute the signals and handle the complete process for yourself. These are the two ways basically people can participate, and then on the left side of the page you can see our performance of the bot since we have started. Bottom right side is how you can join and all those things. More information can be found on the page. Make sure to check out. Link is in the description area and comments area. It's actually scrembocoaching.com/bot. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching, but I usually talk about these things at the end. So let's get into the Polygon technical analysis, or in other words, the Matic network. 15-minute candlesticks, folks. We're doing it against USDT for the Binance exchange. And we're looking for seeing the information that is very important in this case scenario, that we have broke below the trending support line. Now, this trending support line obviously is not the one from the beginnings of the movement of the March. This trending support line has established during 15th of March, right here in the bottom. And from this bottom, we actually held on the line for 2 days and 23 hours. The whole movement from the bottom to the top represented an increase of 16% and 32%, which is very good, by the way. It has successfully took the liquidity from this top and generated a structure of a triple top representation with strong resistance and a massive failure at a time we have touched there, because there is an engulfing, and that is a very strong bearish price action pattern, the engulfing downside, which is appearing right there. Obviously the markets were attacking the lows and you broke below your trending line, but at the same time you got supported twice, and you might get for the third time here. We'll have to see. This is already an issue if you have to deal in a short period of time for 3 times with the same force so near to each other. But for the first 2 times we have reacted very well from this support zone in between the 2 orange lines that we have. That is located at 1.16, 1.17 cents for the Polygon. If you come for the 3rd time so quickly, and you have BTC and Ethereum prepared for a pullback as well, that could represent a trouble that should end in the golden pocket. If so, the golden pocket should react 1.13. There is still basically from the current price point till the golden pocket at 3.6%. From the top to the golden pocket there is a 9%. So as such, retracement is healthy, is actually one of a kind that can generate us wealth. This is what's happening at the moment. In terms of the going for the upper side, well, forget about Saturday, Sunday discussion going towards the upper side. You need to see how the new week plays out. Monday, Tuesday, and potentially expect basically a decrease from the Federal Reserve rate announcement. We no longer should see such high spike in the rate. We should see a much lower one, having on mind the banking system issues around the space. We need to be very careful with that announcement, which will strongly affect the crypto. In the first place, it will generate heavy volatility up and down, and then in the second place, it might trigger a snowball effect towards a direction. It depends basically the nature of the announcement, but we need to consider certain fundamentals behind it. So that's it for today, guys, on the Polygon. If you're asking me, this looks great because it has so much structure of support below, and the way it is set up, obviously it needs to retrace. People do understand if they see 5, 7, 8% decrease for this alt in a day, they think it's dead. No, this is the traditional, the usual. Let me share with you from here on 15th of March. We came down in 8 hours about 12%. About 12%. Obviously, if that happens with BTC, is a problem. But if that happens with Polygon or Solana, or all the other guys that are similar in Cardano, it's not an issue, folks. Yeah, that's it for today. Once again, for those of you interested in one-on-one coaching program, in order to change your performance and actions, you need to work on their source, which means is your education. That consists skills of mental capacity, psychology, and then technical training, risk management, strategies, indicators. Everything is explained basically in our 3 stages here in the way we're proceeding, as well a video. This is between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me one-on-one, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, including we have homeworks to do and all these things. So register now and qualify for a free conversation with me on Zoom for 15 minutes, but make sure to check out your email and spam inbox and spam for the update and for the response in terms of the way we're doing it. That's pretty much all. Don't forget about the main channel, AI Trading on the bot, and all the links can be found in the description area of this video or a commentary. Have a good time, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.